Hello class 9. Welcome in today's class. Today we are starting our next chapter, that is chapter number 4, which is linear equations in two variables. So first I will tell you the main concept of linear equations. What is a linear equation? Students, first it is an equation. Equation, that means there will be a equal symbol and two sides will be there, left hand side and right hand side. These left hand side and right hand side, both sides can be made by expressions, algebraic expressions. So what is the meaning of linear equations? What is the general form of linear equation? Linear equation, that means the variables, the degree of variables, or we can say the highest power of variables will be only one. They cannot hold x square, x cube and all, but only the highest power of variable should be 1. If the highest power of variable is 1, then that will be the linear equation. So I am writing the general form of linear equation. What is the general form? General form of linear equation. Students, first we have to take the linear equations in two variables. We have to take two variables. We can take x and y, we can take l and m, we can take y and z, but generally we can use x and y. So what will be the general form of linear equation? It is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are constants. Where a, b and c are constants. We can take some examples. Let if we have a equation 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So highest power of x is 1. There is no any power, that means by default it is 1. Highest power of y is 1. So it is the form of linear equation. Students, if you want to find the values of a, b and c, a will be the coefficient of x. So in this case, coefficient of x is 2. So the value of a is 2. Value of b, coefficient of y, it will be 3. And value of c, that term without xy, it is minus 5. Is it clear? Now we are starting our exercise, that is exercise 4.1. Now what is the exercise? Listen, the first question. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equations in two variables to represent this statement. We have to form the linear equation. Listen. First, let the cost of a notebook. There are two things, a notebook and a pen. The cost of a notebook and a pen be rupees x and rupees y respectively. Clear? We are assuming it. Now we have to form a linear equation, and what the statement is given according to question. What is our statement? Statement is the cost of a notebook. Students, listen carefully. Given cost of a notebook is represents equal symbol. Is, are, am, was, were, will be, shall be. They will represent equal symbol in equations. Clear? So cost of a notebook is twice. Twice means 2 multiply. Twice means 2 multiply. The cost of a pen. Cost of a pen. Clear? So cost of a notebook we assumed as x, so we can put here x equal to multiply cost of a pen we assumed as y, so 2y. X is equal to 2y, or we can write 2y can be shifted there because the general form is there should be 0 in right hand side. So x minus 2y equal to 0. And we have to form the equation only, so it will be our answer. Is it clear? Now the question number second. In question number second, students, we have given some equations and we have to find the values of a, b and c. That's it. So what is our question? The first part, it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. Bar is on 5. So in linear equation there should be 0 in right hand side, so 9.35 can be shifted here. So it is 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. Coefficient of x, it will be a, so value of a is 2. Coefficient of y, it will be b, so it is 3. And the third one is c, so c is minus 9.35 bar. That is our answer. Clear? We have to find only the values of x, a, b and c. Now its fourth part is x equal to 3y. X equal to 3y. Students, 3y can be shifted there in left hand side, so x minus 3y equal to 0. There is no any constant term. So coefficient of x, there is no any number, that means the coefficient of x is 1. So value of a is 1. Value of b, coefficient of y, it is minus 3. And now there is no any constant term, so value of c will be 0. Clear? Similarly, students, we are doing the sixth part. Sixth part is 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Student, we can convert this in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You can see there is no any term of y, but we can write 3x, it is ax plus by. So we can write as 0 into y. It is multiplication, 0 into y and plus 2 as it is. Now it has been converted in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So value of a, it is 3. Value of b, there is no any term of y, so value of b will be 0. And value of c, that is 2. Is it clear? Similarly, student, we are doing the seventh part, that is y minus 2 equal to 0. There is no any term of x, so again we can write as 0 into x. 0 multiply x plus the term of y is given and though there is no any coefficient, so by default it will be 1. So 1 into y and minus 2 equal to 0. So value of a will be coefficient of x 0. Value of b will be coefficient of y, that is 1, and value of c will be minus 2. Remaining parts of question number second you will do as your homework. Okay, if you have any doubt, students, then you can write in comment box. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.